Malo soy fua. Someone asked, if verb phrases are made with the Samoan tense marker and an action word, then how come there are tense markers with words like fa'anonoa or sad, which clearly isn't an action? Good question. Now, if you saw the last video, yeah, a tense marker and an action word, otherwise known as a verb, that's what makes up your basic action phrase. So if sad is a description word, then where's the action? You're looking at it. When you combine a description word to a tense marker, an action is created. Now fa'anonoa means past tense sad or was sad. Ole'a is a future tense marker, and ole'a fiafia is will be happy. Was, is, will, and several other verbs are created when you combine Samoan tense markers to a description word. So na fa'anonoa is was sad, and ole'a fiafia is will be happy. Join us tonight in our Samoan Zoom session where we talk about this and much more.